Hey everyone, welcome back to Tectonic Electric. Today, we're diving into the world of microcomputing with one of the most popular devices for hobbyists and developers alike, the Raspberry Pi Zero series. If you're looking for an affordable, powerful, and compact option for your next DIY project, the Raspberry Pi Zero, Zero W, and Zero 2W might just be what you need. Let's break down what each version offers. First up, the Raspberry Pi Zero lineup. Each of these tiny computers is about the size of a stick of gum. But don't let the size fool you. They pack a lot of functionality in a tiny frame. From basic computing tasks to powering complex IoT devices, the Zero series has got you covered. Starting with the Raspberry Pi Zero, this little board features a single-core, 1 GHz processor and 512 megabytes of RAM. It's great for lightweight tasks and projects where connectivity isn't a priority, like a simple media player, a robotics project, or even a basic retro gaming console. Next, we have the Raspberry Pi Zero W. It shares the same specs as the Pi Zero, but with a huge advantage: built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The W stands for wireless, making this model perfect for IoT applications, home automation, and other projects where you need remote access. It's compact, affordable, and perfect for wirelessly controlled systems. Host. And finally, the newest member of the family, the Raspberry Pi Zero 2W. This board takes things up a notch with a quad-core ARM Cortex A53 CPU, clocked at 1 GHz and 512 megabytes of RAM, just like the original Zero W. The real standout here is the multi-core processing power, which allows you to run more demanding tasks. If you're working on projects requiring a bit more performance, like a portable computer, security camera, or an edge AI device, the Zero 2W is the one to go for. i0, single-core CPU, 512 megabytes RAM, no wireless connectivity. i0 2W, quad-core CPU with wireless connectivity, and better for more demanding projects. Each option brings something unique to the table, depending on what kind of project you're working on and your performance needs. A variety of Raspberry Pi projects displayed on the screen: home automation, media center, IoT devices, etc. So, what can you do with these boards? The possibilities are nearly endless. You can build home automation systems, portable retro gaming console, media centers with Kodi, security cameras with motion detection, IoT devices with sensors and smart features. One of the best things about the Raspberry Pi Zero series is the price. The Raspberry Pi Zero is incredibly affordable, priced around $5 to $10 depending on where you buy it. The Raspberry Pi Zero W is slightly more, around $10 to $15, and the Zero 2W comes in at about $15. For such versatile devices, the price-to-performance ratio is hard to beat. So there you have it, the Raspberry Pi Zero series in all its compact glory. Whether you need something ultra-affordable and simple or a little more power for your advanced projects, there's a Pi Zero that fits the bill. Let me know in the comments which Raspberry Pi project you're planning to start. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon for more tech tips, reviews, and project ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.